Alright, what's up guys? This is video number 2 of the 240SX rebuild, and I just picked up probably my favorite part for the car. It's something I've always wanted, and I got a ridiculous freaking steal of a price on it, so I had to pull the trigger, and it's gonna complete the whole car, I think, and I'm like really excited. Like, I've never been excited over a piece of material in my life like this, so I'm stoked. You guys ready to see this? It's amazing. So I've had this janky old red ass looking busted hood with these ugly hood latches. I can't stand these. I've always hated them, but I kind of dealt with it, and I've always wanted this certain hood, and someone luckily had it for a crazy deal, and I had to snag it. Are you ready, guys? Boom. This is a Shulman hood. I forget which version it is, but it is my dream hood. It is beautiful. It's like amazing. And Juku had it for Kevin Lawrence's car. Never used it. I got it for a crazy steal, and I am so stoked that I got this hood. This is like the best part of the car for me so far. So, god damn, this thing's pretty. I want to test fit it and put it on. Okay, so the biggest thing that's gonna affect the entire front end project is finally here. I ordered the Rob Parsons Chair Slayer lower rat support that you can buy shipped to your door for like 300 bucks, and it'll change the whole game of the front end. So I actually ordered, Brian made me order it. I'm glad I ordered it. He finally made me do it. He's been bugging me for forever because he hates the way my car is, and he's like really excited to get it done. So finally gonna open it. I think he's more excited than I am.
Yeah,
to be honest.
As soon as I knew he made this thing, I've been wanting to see it, but I didn't want to spend the money on it. So that's the perk of helping people with stuff, because you can get other people to spend the money.
Like me, yeah.
And then if you like it, you can.
Oh yeah, that's like me with Adam, to be honest. I see what he buys, and I'm like, oh, I'll buy that too. But he has a top piece as well. We didn't do that. We might do it if we don't fully make our own, but we'll probably make our own. But for now, this is pretty sick.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, it is.
The material looks nice too.
Yeah. Yeah, he did a really good job on these. Got 2 radiator locations.
Yeah, so you can choose which location you want to run, because people have different swaps. You want to, how far you want to put it up, you know, stuff like that. But it's a super nice piece. I definitely recommend it. We haven't put it in the car yet, but just by opening up the bag, it's like an instant like, wow, this is a really nice piece.
Yeah, and he has them indicated here, and then folded over. So this is one section here, and then from the bottom up is a section, and then indicated. He does all this on SolidWorks and then bends it up. So
super nice.
Yeah, it's a really nice piece.
Awesome. Brian is a very particular, critical guy, and a very particular person, but he's great. But if he compliments something, it's very good. It's also like Adam. If Adam compliments something, it's fucking good. End of story. So I'm glad he likes it, and I'm glad he's gonna be able to do his thing.
Yeah, this is sweet.
Yeah, this is nice. Yeah, that's great. I can just, you know, that's exactly what you want.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's great. Yeah. Yeah, just, yeah.
Oh, whoops.
Damn.
Oh, no.
That was a car. So I got the first plate on. It looks so nice and so clean compared to what it was before. We're gonna cut this right here because this is like ugly. I don't like it, but this kit is sick. It fits perfectly, looks awesome, and super sturdy. That will be it for tonight. Tomorrow we'll continue to finish up the rest of the front end and then finish some dash 16 water feed lines. So I'm really excited. All right, so a lot of you guys have been bitching at me for this damn engine being sideways. I get it. It's sideways. I know it. If obviously I know it's sideways, don't bother me about it. I see it. All right? Damn it. So what happened was things break on cars when you hit things hard, right? Yeah. Engine mount moved. and it went like that. It's done. We're fixing it. So chill. So now all we're gonna do is loosen the mount and just tweak it a little bit back to position. But yeah, I was being mean there because it pissed me off, but I get it. It's crooked, it's gonna go straight. Not a big deal. Okay guys, you guys got what you wanted and I got what I wanted. Kind of see the engine is now straight. As you can see, no more crookedness. The mounts were all over the place, and like I said, I was at the compound and I went off pretty bad because I got smoked out, and the impact was, I literally jumped in the air and the whole car like shook, and the whole engine kind of tweaked. It's fixed now, so you guys can stop bitching about it. It's straight, we're good. All right guys, the new front end lower radiator support is done. So much better. My tension arms were so far back compared to where they were now. We had to loosen everything and take all the Y-stab off of the arms to even pull it forward to get the bolts on it properly. So no wonder why my casters are always off. It works, but it was off, and this thing was probably flexing like crazy when it was here. But it's a hell of a difference. It was so much better.
The frame rails are also in.
Yeah. So this kit is a full bolt-on application. You get the drill holes here, 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 and here. And then these are also detachable, so the whole thing can come off. But it does not call for welding these on, but I want to weld these to the frame. Brian's a professional fabricator, and I'm lucky to have him here, so he's gonna fabricate and weld all this stuff together so it's more sturdy. You don't have to do that. It does not call for that. It calls for just bolting on, so it can be detachable, but I want to weld it on there. But I'm gonna take it apart and wire wheel all this stuff, and we should be good. So we have everything ready, mocked up. We're not gonna bolt anything tight. We just need the sides to be fitted correctly at the correct measurements. So we are gonna weld the plates onto the frame so for more sturdiness and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, so I can't weld, as you guys know. So Brian is gonna weld. You know, he's very good at what he does. So I'm gonna let him do his thing. I'm not gonna watch it though because I like watching, but my eyes can't handle that, obviously. So here we go. While Brian's welding the bracing, I am in here cleaning the interior, getting it back nice and clean. I'm probably gonna fix up like the cage where it's all scratched and the floor with some more durable paint. I might do some steel in here. That stuff's really sick, but it's really expensive. So I'm trying to get this thing looking better than it was before because this is like annoying. I hate when it looks like shit. Plus, when I do the new wiring and I do my my dash and all that kind of stuff, it's gonna look really professional. I don't want to have nice stuff and then shit. You know, it's just not how I want to do things, but. The back is really dirty too because I have holes in my crap and I gotta fill those and do all that kind of stuff. But other than that, this interior is pretty cool, but it's not amazing. But the roof looks, okay, the roof looks good as hell. It looks great, but everything over here is crap, but yeah.
was the only spot too.
All right, the new M plates are in. These look sick. Now these are a bolt-on application normally, but we wanted to weld them on there so for more sturdiness, and I'm more comfortable with it being welded on there. The bolt-on thing will work fine, but I wanted to weld it on there. I did not weld it on there. I wanted Brian to weld it on there. I cannot weld, obviously, but he did a great job. It looks sick. On this side, it's really clear to see the welds are really good. Everywhere else is kind of in a weird spot, so, but everything looks really sick. Looks really good. I gotta prime this and then paint it so it matches the car, and then we'll put this in and it'll be finally done. I'm gonna get this powder coated, and then after that, so we're gonna do a full power brace right here and then get this powder coated to match the front lower brace, and it'll look really good. I don't wanna paint it the same color as engine bay. I wanna have it durable and get it maybe a black or a similar color, but I could just spray paint it, but I wanna do some nice stuff in this car now. So I need to prep this primer and then paint it so it matches the car, because if I don't, in Florida it's too humid and it'll rust. So you gotta always paint stuff when you're done welding it. So about a year ago, I painted my engine bay with this VHT wheel paint in this graphic color I love. It was like, I could have got a better color, but like, I like it a lot and it was cheap. You can get it in any AutoZone. It's the graphite. But of course, I'm gonna make it match the new piece so it looks complete. But other than that, it's normal paint. I'll put a little bit of clear on it too. Maybe, we'll see. But it's easy and cheap.
Here's the funny part.
What?
That's all gonna get fucked when we finish the rest of the pack. You always do that. You always paint before we're done.
I love this color. Looks so good. God dang. Heck yeah. So pretty. And then you put like a coat of clear on top of it and it comes out really nice. Well, I'm editing the video and I did not film an outro clip, so here it is. Next video we will have the front end done and a bunch of other stuff coming. It's gonna be really sick. The car is coming along really good so far, but yep, I don't have an outro clip sadly, but I make one now. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next few videos of the 240 being built. It's gonna be awesome and lots of cool stuff coming soon. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys soon.